I'm Panita Pereira, the Secretary of the Executive Committee for the year 2019 and 2020. I would like to present a recap of all the activities, events, and special projects that OEV has been able to deliver during the past year. The first event of the year was OEV Friends and Family Gateway to RFVCV in Mulak Resorts, organized as part of the 25th year celebrations. This took place from 1st of November to the 4th, and it was wonderful to see participation from diverse age groups and backgrounds and received overall fantastic feedback. This was truly an amazing start of the new year filled with good cheer and spirit. Founders Day Almsgiving, the annual tradition to commemorate our founding fathers, was held on 21st November at Dhammasarana Temple, Keysborough. In addition to our founding fathers, blessings were also invoked to our past principals, teachers, and heroic Anandians who have sacrificed their lives to bringing peace to our motherland. Next up was the Christmas Family Night held on 7th December at Kilembewali Community Centre. The event had a turnout of 200 attendees, and it proved once more as the most favourite way to spread the holiday cheer and festive spirit with our incredible community. In order to obtain blessings for the new year and new decade, OEV organized a series of Dhamma programs during the month of December, which were conducted by Venerable Galigamwe Gnanadeepa Thero. First Dhamma program was held on 11th December at Keysborough, followed by a morning Sira Bhavana program and second Dhamma sermon on 21st December. The series concluded on 28th December with final Dhamma sermon program at Rockbank Temple. The events had an attendance of over 200 patrons across all days, and special thanks to Vajra Jayasinghe for his support and contribution towards the success of these programs. The overnight Perit ceremony was held on 8th February at Dandenong Temple. This turned out to be one of the most unique, memorable events that we have been able to organize in the recent history, primarily due to the fact that the scale of work delivered by the gifted OEV community, working together from the initial planning, construction, of the glamorous Perit Mandapaya to the execution of the ceremony on the day itself. The event had a turnout of more than 400 people, which made these projects a grand success. In terms of sports, Battle of the Maroons, our main sporting event, was held on 23rd February at Dandenong Showgrounds. In addition to the main 2020 match, we also had a over 40s cricket match as well as a rugby sevens match. Victorious Anandians became triple champions, winning all three matches. Special thanks to Arjun Ranatunga for taking the time to join us in Melbourne for leading the Anandians for victory. We would also like to thank Prasad Padasanka for all his support and contribution on this event. We also represented the Sri Lankan Cricket Carnival, organized by Kalutara Vidyalaya OBA, which was organized for the second successful year. This year, the blood donation campaign was held on 6th September at Red Cross Blood Donation Centre in Mount Waverley, while 21 donors participating in this worthy cause, donating blood and plasma. We've also been able to host various events for special Anandians who visited Melbourne this year. A special dinner was organized for Anand College OBA current president Dushmantha Karanagada with OAV past presidents and the executive committee. We also had a felicitation dinner to host 1996 Cricket World Cup winning captain, a proud Anandian Arjun Ranatunga. This was held on 21st February at Cinnamons, Selkilda. As an active overseas association, OEV was proud to be featured on Anandaya, the official newsletter of Anand College All Boys Association, which is published biannually. This edition was released at the Orchid Oration on 23rd November 2019. As we all know, the year 2020 has been such a challenging year for all of us, starting from the devastating bushfires in January as well as the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, which has impacted us in many ways. We are proud to say that OEV has been able to remain as one of the most active organizations during these times by focusing on providing support to vulnerable members in our community in Sri Lanka as well as Australia. In January 2020, we have made a donation of 1,500 Australian dollars to the bushfire relief efforts of iconic Victorian town of Malakura. Further, to help the fight against the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, we contributed 3,000 Australian dollars to Earthweather charity initiative, while joining hands with Manusa Derana humanitarian efforts and raised 12,700 Australian dollars to support the long-suffering families in rural areas of Sri Lanka. We are grateful for the kindness and generosity of all Anandians, friends and families who made these worthy causes possible. OAV has also provided support to 6 Anandiya students who were facing hardship as a result of COVID-19, and we were grateful to assist them with food supplies and finding work. With the aim of exploring digital capabilities to streamline current processes, OAV has been able to achieve key milestones in digital space during the year, one of which is switching to fully online banking and electronic fund transfer facilities to enhance efficiencies in financial processes. And the second, the OAV Connect, a fully automated digital membership platform, was launched in July to all our members, introducing a fully automated renewal of membership process, and for the first time, having a recurring revenue platform for the association in the years to come. The project was a huge success, welcoming a record member base of over 170 members within a period of 1 month. In order to commemorate the 25th anniversary, OAV community has compiled a theme song for our beloved association and also launched a digital souvenir presenting our humble beginnings and rich history, the projects undertaken, and also the charitable causes we have embarked upon, and a recap of our activities during the past year. Further on, OAV was also proud to sponsor the 91st Battle of the Maroons live broadcast done through Sri Lankan Broadcasting Corporation. Our heartfelt thanks to Victorian Anandian, Dr. Kanishka Muruthetwegama, who provided us this opportunity as a part of the 25th year anniversary celebrations. Overall, we are proud to say that it has been a fabulous year for the association, and we believe the events and key projects carried out have been a great success and contributed towards achieving the goals of OAV. Thank you.